Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're well. Today I was meant to be on my IAM ride, my last lesson before my test, but due to Storm, Trevor, Bob, James, Stephanie, I don't know what storm we're on now, but I phoned my instructor this morning and he said it's probably best to leave it. Probably not the best biking weather, so yeah, so we decided to postpone it till next week. So that left me a bit of a conundrum to what to put out to you this week. Now, after lots of thought and deliberation, I decided I would go through my biking gear. Now, just as a disclaimer, this isn't me telling you what you should or what you shouldn't wear on your bike. That's entirely up to you. It's your life, it's your bike, it's your gear. Do what you like. This is just my opinion on the stuff I prefer to wear. Maybe there'll be some people watching this who are thinking about getting into biking, what gear to get. None of my stuff is overly expensive. I do think it's actually very good stuff. So yeah, roll the intro and we'll get into it. Guys, before I jump into all my riding gear, stay to the end of the video. I've decided I'm going to start putting all my mistakes and my bloopers, if you like, at the end of my videos. I've watched a few videos recently with a few bloopers at the end. I actually find them quite amusing. It gives you a bit of an insight, if you're not a YouTuber, it gives you a bit of an insight into how annoying this can be, recording and vlogging and stuff like that. I mean, you see it all polished out and edited and exactly how we want you to see it, but I think it's good to let you see what we actually go through during recording these. Some might be quite a few bloopers at the end, some might be quite short. I'm sure there's going to be some in this video, but I'll yeah, just watch, stay to the end, have a look, have a laugh. But anyway, let's look at some of this gear, shall we? So guys, well, first of all, apologies if you can hear a humming sound in the background. Obviously I'm in the garage and, well, I'll show you. All my heating is in the garage, so all that is humming away constantly, so apologies for that, but there you go, put you down. Not a lot I can do about that, I'm afraid, so deal with it. Before I start off with my 151's base layer, I use this through the summer and the winter. It's meant to regulate your temperature, so obviously meant to keep you warm in the cold, meant to keep you cool in the summer. I'll show you my summer jacket in a little while, but my summer jacket is vented, so it's actually quite nice to have the air come through that, hit this, keep you cool. They're really good. I actually really like them. Not a must, but I just think it helps. So what I'll do is I'll start off with my winter gear and what I'm riding at the moment. Obviously it is winter, so it makes sense to stick with the winter theme at the moment. So I'll grab my winter gear and we'll go through it. So guys, these are my my winter trousers. They're all thermal lined, they're waterproof. They're made by RST. Find that pretty much, I'd say 99% of my stuff's RST. Like I said to you before at the beginning, I don't see the point in buying high-end brand stuff. I mean, I know people will say it's better protection, blah, 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 but I mean, I find RST stuff very, very good value for money, and I've had no problems with my RST stuff. It all lasts forever. Really comfortable, sizings are good. These particular trousers are very, very, very warm. I mean, I've been riding in like 1 degree temperatures with just a pair of sort of boxer shorts underneath, and I don't feel the cold at all. The only thing I do find with them, the wind will get up your leg and get you a bit of cold leg. So I've actually got a pair of really long socks that cuts a bit on my knee to keep my legs warm. But yeah, these are very good, very thick, plenty of armour in the knees. Yeah, really like them. My next bit of winter clothing, surprise, surprise, RST again. This is, I believe this jacket is something like just like the RST black or something like that. Textile jacket, all thermal lined again. Back armour, the jacket doesn't come with back armour, you have to put the back armour in it. It's just fits in the bottom there. Very, very warm. all armour down here on your arms. Very, very good jacket. Again, I really like it. I always wear textiles in the winter because obviously leathers just don't seem to hold the heat. And once the leather gets cold, you get cold, and it's just a nightmare for anyone really. So guys, I'll move on to my gloves. My preferred winter gloves are Rst. These are the Paragon 6, I believe. These are very, very warm gloves. Also, these are heated. I do find I've got heated grips on the Versus. I do find with these gloves on, I can't actually feel the heated grips, but it's not really the end of the world because the gloves are heated themselves. These are battery operated. Battery goes into there. Last about, I think on high power, about 2 hours ish. But if you ride in the winter, I generally think heated gloves are a must. I would have gone for heated gear, but because my stuff is already so warm, I didn't really see the point, to be honest. But heated gloves, definitely well worth investing in. A snood or a neck scarf or whatever you want to call it. I've tried all sorts of neck scarves, snoods, and all that sort of stuff. Although this is this material is Rst. Although this material's like a silky type material, it has got a like a warm lining inside. Now I've used this through the summer, brilliant through the summer, really, really good. I've had obviously flies and bees and like hit your neck, and they sting quite a bit. If you ride, you'll know. I've also reused this in the winter, and I'm actually really, really, really surprised at how well this keeps the wind off your neck. You cannot feel cold at all. I'm really impressed with this, considering I didn't think much of it when I first bought it. I thought it would be more of a summer thing, but yeah, really, really good. So what I'll do now is I'll show you my my summer riding kit. Which hopefully won't be too much longer away, because I'm getting really fed up with putting all that textile gear on, and it's just a pain. So guys, this is my summer leather jacket. I don't know if you can tell by the images, but I'll try and get a bit closer. This is completely mesh on the back, around the sides and the front. It is leather. You can get this jacket in textile as well, but I just prefer to have that sort of leather jacket on me. I just find that, I don't know, in summer I just prefer to have a leather. Got plenty of armour on this jacket. You've got your shoulder armour, your elbow armour, forearm armour. You do have the space for a back protector. It doesn't come with a back protector like most Rst jackets doesn't, unless you buy like a full racing kit, if you like, or a full set of leathers. They generally have one stitched in. But what I do is take my back protector out of my my textile jacket, put it in this, because obviously in the summer it's all I'll be using. I can't tell you exactly what it's rated to. Have a look on the Rst website, but I mean, it's basically, I think it's like CE level 2 mesh, I think. Could be wrong, don't take it as gospel, but yeah, it's very, very strong. Yeah, looking forward to wearing that again. Yeah, so like I said, I've got a set of 2-piece leathers there. I do wear them for the summer. I just find that you wear them on a really, really hot day and you just sweat so much in leather. So this year I'm looking at wearing more Kevlar armered jeans. This is one of my pairs. This is a plain black pair. Guess who makes these? Rst. Really, really comfortable jeans. They're actually probably more comfortable than normal jeans you buy from a shop. I mean, they're so soft, very, very comfortable. They've got like a elasticy kind of material in them, so when you sort of getting on and off the bike, they sort of stretch in the crutch area, but they're so comfortable. Armour in the knees. I think you can get hip armour for these as well. This is just one pair I've got. I don't know if you can really tell the stretch. This is not like normal jeans, they do stretch. Again, but yeah, really, really comfortable. Are a must for me if I'm going out and planning to go into shops and stuff. So that's one pair of my jeans. And this is the other pair of jeans I've got. These are quite expensive. I think these were nearly £200 for these jeans, but these are sort of their highest rated Kevlar jeans. Again, you have the knee armour, you can have the hip armour inside them. They have this sort of accordion stretch thing on the knees, so depending on what bike you're riding, if you've got really bent up knees, they stretch, which is really nice. Again, really, really soft material, really, really comfortable to wear. These have got the high back as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, these are probably my favourite jeans, and it breaks up the black as well. Obviously black jacket, nice and stuff, just breaks it up nicely. So going back to the gloves then, my summer gloves, I use the Knox hand-drawn gloves. I wanted something that was really well armoured. I mean, as you can tell, these have the strange sort of skeleton-like look about them. I think it actually is called an ectoskeleton, I believe. Pretty sure Knox give you a lifetime warranty on these gloves, I think. Could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they do. Skyfoid? I don't know what it is, but protection on your palms there. If you are looking at getting a pair of these, you are a lot of money, so I would definitely look at trying a few pairs on. They do break in, but yeah, I mean, ideally these could be a little bit bigger, but they're good enough. I'm not changing them. Good pair of gloves, really like these. So we'll move on to my lids. These are the two main helmets I use. This is my Scorpion R1 helmet. Such a good helmet. It is so comfortable. Very light. I'll tell you that, it reads 1200 grams. Fully carbon. It has inside there, I don't know if you'll be able to see that little red thing there. So obviously when you've got the helmet on, you pump that and it brings the cheeks in tighter and tighter. So if the helmet doesn't quite feel snug enough for what you want, just pump that, brings all the cheek pads in, it makes the helmet really snug. Then we'll move on to my Shoei Hornet ADV helmet. Not obviously as light as my carbon one, but it's not heavy. It's not a heavy helmet at all. In a adventure style helmet, you do have plenty of vision. The visors are quite large, so you can see quite a lot out of them. The only thing about it being a gloss helmet, it shows up all the marks. So I'm showing you this helmet now, my hands all over it, so I'll be cleaning this afterwards, because I can't stand having fingerprints all over my helmet. So last thing on the list then, guys, is boots. I like to have as much protection on my feet as possible. For the summertime, I've got my Rst Full Boot. To be fair, these are seeing better days now. I've had these for quite a while. Yeah, really like these boots. Only problem I find with these boots is you can't put my jeans over the top of the boots, which is something I would prefer to do. Because they're so bulky, they don't stretch enough to go over the top of these boots, which is a bit annoying, to be honest with you. So you either end up having to tuck your jeans inside your boots. These are more for sort of like your levers, like your one piece or your two piece. I have also got these Alpine Stars. I think they're called Paddock Boots. I'm not 100% sure, but these are a really nice boot. Really comfortable. I can put my jeans over top of them. They look quite smart. They are quite comfortable to wear on the bike. I like the fact that these ones have the laces to do them up tight, and you bring that over across, and it keeps the laces getting tangled in your bikes. So I'm quickly going back to my winter gear. I forgot to show you. These are my winter riding boots. These boots are okay. It's the first pair of boots I've ever owned from Rst, whatever. I mean, they're waterproof, don't get me wrong. They keep your feet fairly warm. The only thing I find with these boots is the grip isn't that great. So on a wet day, although they're meant to be waterproof boots, on a wet day they don't really grip the floor very well. So I mean, there's been a couple of times now I've paddled the bike backwards and my feet have slipped quite a lot because the grip is just pretty naff, if I'm honest. To be fair, they're not that bad for walking around in, they're quite comfortable. And also, if you're wearing jeans, you can put the jeans over top of these and they don't look like bulky as well. So yeah, I am considering changing these boots just purely because the grip is just a bit naff. So anyway guys, I hope you like looking at all my riding kit. Like I say, none of it is you have to be wearing any of it, it's just what I prefer to wear. There's enough people out there trying to knock off your bike as it is, so if I can protect myself as much as I can, then I will get the best kit I can personally afford. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. Please by all means like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, then dislike it. It's personal preference, I always say that. Please subscribe to the channel, got a lot of stuff coming up. If all goes to plan within the next week or so, maybe a little bit longer, a video you ain't going to want to miss. Actually, will probably go over 2 videos if I'm honest, but yeah, by all means subscribe to the channel, you don't want to miss them videos. And I'll catch you on the next one. Catch you later. Hope you're well. Today I was going on my So I'll start off with my winter gear, as we are in the winter at the moment, so it makes sense. So what I'll do is I'll start off on my winter gear and then we'll go from there, okay? No. I find loads of armour in it. You've got obviously your shoulder armour, you've got your elbow and your forearm armour. Come on. I'm sort of thinking about this year of more wearing my textile jeans, obviously. My Shoei Hornet ADV. Then move on to my Shoei. Remember what it's called. Then move on to my Shoei Hornet AD. God. So I pretty much think. Oh God. So pretty much, guys. No. Oh Jesus Christ, man. Obviously, I have winter riding boots that will only. Oh Jesus fucking hell, man. Wow. So, guys, I pretty much. So hopefully, if you're new to riding or you're just nope. So guys, I hope that you like. Oh, slow down, you idiot. So anyway, guys, I hope you like the video. I hope the information of a ride. No. So guys, before I actually start this video going through all my stuff, stay to the end of the video because I've decided that in all my videos I'm going to start putting my bloopers at the end. What's that about? So guys, before I go, this isn't difficult, is it? Videos with their mistakes and they're actually quite funny. So and also I think it gives you something fucking. So guys, just something off subject.